Okay, so we're going to try and make our first web page. We're going to use this structure here. So what we need to do first of all is to make sure you have brackets open. Okay, if you don't, you can find it in the Spotlight search. Open it up. So what we need to do first is click on File and New, and you'll see here it says Untitled, so it may say Untitled 1, Untitled 4, Untitled 5. Yeah. And so what we need to do first is save it. So File, Save As. Where it says Save As at the top, you need to type in the word index, INDEX .html. Okay. Find the right folder to save it on. For today, you can just save it on the desktop, for example. So click here. I have made a new folder down here, year 7. You can make a new folder here by clicking this button. And make sure you have done index.html, or otherwise this will not work. Click Save. Okay. First thing we need to write is our angle brackets, which is beside the M on the keyboard. Hold down the Shift key, press that. We're going to put in doc type, DOCTYPE, space HTML. When you put in exclamation mark at the start, it's on above the 1 key, and then close those brackets. Okay, so that tells the browser what kind of web page it is. We're going to start with our first tag, so HTML. If you see it pop up like this, that means your file is saved correctly, and you can just press the last bracket and it should enter that for you, the last tag. So what you need to do next is press enter, go back to line 2, press enter again. Okay, the first thing we're going to add in is our head tag. Again, we just press enter and it'll come up. You'll see here we have another tag in there called title. Okay, TITLE. Okay, and put in this is my web page. So this will not be displayed on your web page. This will be put in the title in the browser. Okay. Okay, so you should have typed this part so far. So you should have HTML. You should have a head tag, a closing tag, a title tag, and a closing tag here. So each of these have a start and an end. Okay, we're going to do one more called body. So this is the main part of the page. Okay, so inside body we're going to put in a paragraph, which is P, and then we're going to write in this is my first web page. Okay, so that's all the code we need to do for now. Okay, so the next part is very important. We need to save it. Okay, so there's 2 ways to save it. You can click on File and Save, and you should see the little dot disappear from up here, or here as well. And you can also do it with Command and S on the MacBook. Okay, if you've done that, then you should go to the folder you saved it in. So go down to Finder here. Okay, find the folder you put it in. Desktop, year 7 HTML, for example, and you should have an icon that looks like this, and it says index.html. It says it here as well. If I double click that, then it should open. Okay, so I'm just going to open it up to show you what it looks like. Okay, So you'll see here, this is my first web page. You notice what we wrote in the title appears up here. This is my web page, and this is my first web page is down here. Okay, so those two things. This does not show up on your web page, but this part does. Okay. So that's the code. I'll close that again. Try that